Good morning. Myself K.C. Rajameswaran, Assistant Professor, Department of IT and the College of Technology. I am going to explain the topics. Let's say introductions about business analytics. What is business analytics? So business analytics is the process of data analysis for the statistical method for the insights of information decisions. There is a number of processes of the business analytics: data collections, cleaning, integrations, explorations, visualization, and modelings of insights. So particularly based upon the business analytics, there is an analytical cycles, types of business analytics, business problem definitions, data collections, data preparations, then interpretation, finally deployment and interactions. Overview of business analytics. There is a data, information technology, statistical analysis, quantum methods and computer-based models. There's a combined of decision makers, all the possible scenarios to make well thought and research decisions. Then overview of business analytics. The business analytics widely applied for marketing, human resource management, economics, finance, health, sports and politics. So marketing is an important process in business analytics. We do the business, there is an important one is marketing. Then HRM, human resource management. It is the important fact in any organizations or industry. Then finance. So you must investment some money in that particular companies or particular field. That should be important thing is finance. Then health, sports and politics. Next one, overview of the business analytics. Predictive analytics. So what could happen in the future? So use historical data to make predictions. We can take it as 5 years data or 10 years data. That is for the predictions of the consolidated results. Analytical models help identify associations. Next one is association, used to estimate the likelihood of a favorable outcomes, commonly considered advanced predictions. Then using statistics for data mining. Examples, customer relationship model we are using for the specific marketing campaigns. Next one, predictive. Next one is perspective analysis. So organizations and simulations algorithm to provide advice for particular business. We explore several possible actions. What are the optimistic way and pessimistic way for the about any business or any other role in the organizations. Suggest a course of actions. You give the suggestion for the important problems. Commonly considered advanced predictions. So predictions is important role in the any decisions making process. Building models to help an organizations understand what might happen in the future. So what are the things that might occur in the future? For examples, scheduling employees work hours, select a mix of product to manufacture, choose an investment portfolio. So portfolio is an important thing for the every profiles. Types of data. Business generate and gather more and more data at an increased pace. That is called big data. A massive volume of structured and unstructured data or semi-structured data. Extremely difficult to manage the process because the business is a huge one. Okay, you can thinking, you can motivated and what are the ideas behind the business, what is the future plans. So present great opportunities, knowledge and game changing intelligence. Next, types of data. There are 3 characteristics of big data: volume, velocity and variety. What is volume? That is a amount of data compiled for a single or multiple sources. Velocity means there is a rapid speed. Management is a critical issue. There is a fastest speed. Third one, all types forms granularity, structures or unstructured data. Additional characteristics of the big data: veracity and values. Veracity means credibility, quality of the data and reliability. Values, there is a methodological plan for the right data, unlike the hidden potentials of data. Variables and scales of measurements. Skill technologies, practices and for continuous monitoring. To developing a business or understanding the business, you're thinking an idea for the particular business. The practice of exploration of organization data with emphasis on a statistic analysis, business analytics by companies committed to the data-driven decisions making. So in that area, we have to maintain exploratory data analysis, future engineering, model building, model evaluations, and model deployment. Focus on business analytics. We have using predictive and diagnostic and descriptive and perspective and monitoring and iterations. So these are the important areas to be used for the scales of measurements. And another one is that is a survey of the particular data. Okay, we can type the data from any other resources or real-time resources, or we can take it as open sources. Okay, anything we can find out the data. First thing, this data is used for the marketing or sales, financial, or that is a risk analytics. So process, what are the process behind the scales of measurement? That is the business problems and metrics and data requirements, data collections, exploratory data analysis, and decision making and recommendations. So these are the futures for the introductions about business analytics. Thank you.